With the Buddy app installed on your phone, it's time to install the Buddy watch face on your Fitbit. Start by clicking the download button. Then click the Open App button to open the Fitbit app. In the next screen, click the Open button to confirm you want to open the Fitbit app. In the Fitbit app, click the pink Select button to install the watch face on your Fitbit. On this screen, be sure every option has a pink check mark selected before hitting the Install button. The watch face will take about a minute to download and install, depending on your internet speed. Once the face has been installed, you will need to log into Buddy by clicking the Settings menu. Next, select the Login button. On this screen, enter your Fitbit login email and password, then click Login. On this screen, we need to grant Buddy permission to communicate with the Fitbit app, so click the Allow All checkbox, then click the pink Allow button. Now click Open. You will know that you have successfully logged in when your name appears near the top of the screen. Now click Back. Lastly, we need to check that all the permissions were properly selected. Click the Permissions menu. On this screen, verify that all the toggles are switched to the green On position. You have now successfully installed the Buddy watch face and can return to the Buddy app.